Alright, so my name's Mr. McKain, and this is going to be a bit of a walkthrough on how to play Half the World Away on by Oasis on rhythm guitar. So we're just going to take a quick look at the chords. We're going to try and play the first part of it. And the first thing that we see when we look at the lead sheet is that it's in a swing rhythm. So what that means is it's just got that kind of swing feel. So instead of a straight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it sounds like this. So it's a bit more jumpy. It's like you're holding that first strum down. So it's like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the first chord we see is C major. And the strumming pattern goes like this. I'm going to demonstrate on C major. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then the second chord we see is F major 7th. So that one's dead simple. It's a lot like C major, but you move everything one string down towards the ground. Remember, not play the lowest two strings because that makes it sound really horrible and muddy. So F major 7th. So we're going to play the first intro part to this song. 4 bars. Goes like this. And funny enough, that pattern continues into the verse. So he goes, I would like to leave this city. I would like to leave this city. This old town don't smell too pretty. Now, when he says, I can feel the warning signs, we're doing a beautiful little descent. So we're going C major, and the next chord you can see is C/B. Don't use the one on the lead sheet. Use the one from the chord exercise, because that C/B is not quite a nice voicing. The way they're telling you to play it is this, which is essentially E minor. But what I would do is C, and then you move that finger down, so you're playing the E minor shape, but you're adding that first fret on the second string. So let's play that bit. I can feel the warning signs. So you've got that C to C/B to A minor. And that's the only place in the song where it doesn't do that down, down, up, down, up. So it goes C to C/B to A minor, 3, 4, D7. Now that's almost like you take D and you just flip it. So D, and then you go whoop, first finger here, first fret, second string, second finger, third fret, third string, third finger, second fret, first string. And again, not playing your low strings, just playing the highest 4. And then back to F major 7th. And then you see a repeat sign. Tells you to go back to I would like to leave this city. So let's do that bit as if we were repeating it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Descent, D 7th, 2, 3, and then F major 7th. And then it goes into the sort of chorusy bit. So here I go starts with A minor, C, and then E 7th. These are all chords that we know already. So we got. So here I go, scratching around the same old hole. Right, so let's try that. So here I go. E 7th, A minor, F major 7th, then D7 sus2, which is just the same as your D7th, but you're taking away that third finger. So it goes. Then we've got a G fifth, which is your power chord shape. First finger, 3rd fret of the lowest string, the E string. Second finger, 5th fret of the A string, 5th string. And then if you want, if you're feeling challenged, if you feel the need a challenge, you add your pinky to the 5th fret of the D string of the 4th string. So it sounds like this. These chords are used a lot in rock and pop, like. But that's not what we're doing. So you got your G5th shape, which is then quite hard to change into your G7th shape. Imagine taking your C major shape and just spreading it out. So your first finger, 1st fret, 1st string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 5th string, 3rd fret on your lowest string, your 3rd finger, G7th. Now, we have covered all the chords in Half the World Away. I would suggest you go and try and do a play along with either the chord exercise if you're not feeling comfortable with the chords, or you watch the play along and try and play along with the actual tune. If you can't play it immediately, don't worry. Play it slower. The song's about 106 beats a minute. If you've got a metronome, fine. If not, heaps of apps on your phone. See if you can play it slower than 106 beats a minute and then speed it up. If you don't have a metronome, an app, or a phone, then just try and play the chords and then slowly build them up to speed. It's not about immediately being able to do it. It's about gradually teaching yourself and taking those little steps that get you there in the end. Thank you very much, Mr. McKain. Half the World Away by Oasis, rhythm guitar.